Today, as we celebrate this milestone, I'm filled with immense pride. I really want to say that I'm filled with immense pride and gratitude. So much. Standing before you, I see a group of bright young minds who have not only completed a challenging journey, but have grown, adapted, and risen to meet every challenge we put before them. This convocation is a testament to your resilience to the October 2023 learning session. This is a testament to your resilience, to your commitment to excellence, to your unyielding determination to push beyond what is familiar. You have mastered very complex concepts. You have navigated real-world challenges. You have created solutions that reflected your unique talents and visions. You have shown that you are capable of not just learning, but of transforming what you have learned into something meaningful and impactful. Your accomplishments are remarkable, and they serve as an inspiring reminder of what happens when we commit to a path of continuous growth. But while today may mark the end of a phase for you, I want you to know it is truly only the beginning. Technology and innovation are fields that never stand still, and neither should you. The world we live in requires us to keep learning, to keep adapting, and to keep pushing forward. So here is my charge to each of you. October 2023 learning session. Number 1, keep learning. You have learned so much over the past year, but don't stop here. Make learning a lifelong commitment. New doors will open. You will build on the foundation you have created here for this initial course. You have just undergone the software engineering basics course. There are more courses to cover. There are more miles to cover. As the world around us evolves, so must you. Take new courses here at Tech Skool that will sharpen your skills and broaden your knowledge, and also prepare you to meet the demands of tomorrow and today. Dive into new fields, explore emerging technologies, and always stay curious. Number 2, embody excellence. This is very important. Embody excellence. Every day you have spent in this program, you were challenged to aim for excellence. And you did not disappoint, by the way, you did not disappoint. As you step into new opportunities, keep raising the bar for yourself. Don't settle for less. Don't settle for less. Don't try to do what everybody in your set is doing, because you are not everybody. Excellence is not a destination. It is a journey. Always remember that. Whether you are developing a software, or you're going to be leading a team tomorrow, or solving community challenges, or like you are going to now become junior mentors, let the values you have learned here at Tech Skool guide you always to give your best. Seek solutions. Never settle for less than what you know you can achieve. Don't go for the easy path. Don't try to find the easy way out. You know you are meant for greatness. You're meant for excellence. Don't settle for less. Number 3, this is very important. I hope you are listening. Carry the Tech Skool flag high. October 2023 learning session set. Carry the Tech Skool flag high. You are now ambassadors of Tech Skool Education. When people see you, they see this community, a community that nurtures talent, a community that cultivates character, a community that builds leaders. Carry that with absolute pride. In every interaction, in every project, in every choice you make, let the world see the caliber of learners that Tech Skool produces through you. Show them that skills, discipline, passion that Tech Skool stands for are alive in each of you. When they see you, they should see accurate representation of the things that we stand for at Tech Skool. The last but not the least charge I have for you today: embrace change with courage. Your interest will begin to change over time. This world of technology is fast moving. It sometimes feels daunting to keep up. Don't fear change. Rather, be pioneers who drive this change. Trust in your abilities. Believe in your ideas. Be courageous and face uncertainty. When new challenges arise, meet them with the same dedication and creativity you showed here or over the past 1 year. Embrace the unknown as opportunities to learn and to lead. Your interest, like I said, will begin to change over time. It will begin to align properly to what you are more focused on. Don't be afraid of that. Today, you are so interested in software engineering and all that stuff. Tomorrow, you might be very interested in using that software engineering to apply it to a certain sector. Like you can see Victory is applying its own to the agricultural sector. Joy is currently applying hers to the food industry. There's so much you can be doing tomorrow. As you keep learning the front-end course and the back-end course for cybersecurity, for more of the course that you're here to take here at Tech School, have this in mind. Do not be afraid of change. Embrace change with courage. To parents, to our guardians that are here today, thank you for believing in these learners. Parents of the October 2023 learning session, thank you for believing in these learners and for supporting them through this journey. Your encouragement and investment have made today's celebration possible, and I'm sure that you are incredibly proud of what your children have achieved. To our remarkable mentors, our coaches, our staff who have been working tirelessly behind the scenes, creating these results that we see. Thank you for your tireless work. Thank you for your guidance. Thank you for your dedication. Every bit of wisdom, every bit of encouragement, every lesson you gave has had a profound impact. Thank you. And to you, our learners who are here, the graduates of today, thank you for your hard work, for challenging yourself, and for becoming a living proof of what Tech School Education represents. That's what you are, a living proof of what we represent. Go forth with confidence. You are the innovators, the thinkers, and the leaders of today and tomorrow. Never stop learning, never stop growing, and always remember you have a community here that believes in you. Of course, this goes to extension to every one of you who are not even in the graduating class. Congratulations to each of you. We look forward to seeing all the remarkable things you would accomplish in the future. Keep learning, keep excelling, and keep flying the Tech School flag high and high every single day. On that note, I welcome you to a new phase. This also serves for you as an inauguration into the Tech School Junior Mentors and Ambassadors program. We keep looking forward to much more that you're going to be doing from here on. Congratulations to you. I'm super, super proud of you.